sweet. Kelly Virgin. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Kelly Virgin.
Oh my God, I've been in that box for so long. Seemed like such a fantastic idea last June, you know? We all piled in, all of Students' Council, me and Bled and Jason and Josh, and Tyler and Steph and Jasmine in that one little box. We only brought 3 granola bars. Oh God, it was terrible. First, of course, I ate one of the secretaries. Then Bled ate Josh. Competition there. Oh God. It ended up that one final night, I was just sitting there looking at Bled. He looked so plump and juicy. Oh God, I ate Bled. I had one friend on the inside though. Would you like to meet him? Sonia. Don't think I didn't try, huh? I tried. Alright, Wilson. It's just you and me, I'm the guy. What do you want to be? Really? You can't be that, Wilson. But Wilson, I'm the president. You can't just be. Well, no, you're not being the president, Wilson. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. You want to be something else? Come on. No? No! No, Wilson! Can't believe what I just did. Not going to lie to you, I never really liked Wilson. He was one of those guys, you go to bed, you have just as much sheets as he does. You wake up and you're freezing and he's coming up, and then he's always got people over, and I have my friends over too, but I tell them to use coasters, right? Because obviously, Mom, I guess I'm going to need a new Students' Council. Just also know, probably should just call the pizza guy also. Let's push Reed out, see who comes up here. Hey, who's this? Really? You want to be on the Students' Council? Alright, come up, it's the stage, you know where it is. Yeah, just come up. Hey, right over here. Hey. You okay? Really? I don't even know, how was your summer? Yeah? Because I was in the box. How's Mom? Everything? Okay, I'm just gonna, I don't even know what you're, I'm just gonna cut the chase here, and, like, I'm the president of this Students' Council thing. Do you want to be, like, the vice president? Sure. You can talk? Well, yeah. Why were you doing the... I don't know, asthma or something. What is this? Oh. Is that a mask? Yeah. You're just wearing a mask? Yeah. How's it a box? So it looks like we need some more people. More people up here. Oh, remember that thing I said about the dinosaur thing? Yeah, you said some dinosaur stuff. Are you a dinosaur? I'm not a dinosaur. Me neither. Let's get a dinosaur. Is anybody here a dinosaur? Anybody a dinosaur? Anyone? Dinosaur. Wait. They just stood up. Yeah, the dinosaur. Did you see any other dinosaurs here? Now, I read somewhere that they're really good, dinosaurs, at writing checks. Really? Because I saw a movie and they're really good at eating people. Well, that could come in handy too. We'll just focus on the checks. Hey, come on. Yeah, come on. We could have a dinosaur as treasure, right? Yeah. Alright, good. Now, what else do we need? I mean, I guess we should... You're obviously not very good at talking. You were doing the whole breathing thing for a while. Yeah, you asked me. And I've got small pieces of cardboard in my throat. So I guess we should get a PR person. Just one, though. Just one P. This is too many. That's too much. We should just get one of them. Not just two. So, anybody want to... Because that would be too much. Too much. Anybody want to be PR? What? I guess we could have two PRs. You guys have been clapping. Stop that. Stop the clapping. Yeah. I guess two PRs. Do you guys want to do the PRs? Alright. Yeah! That's like everything. We've got everything right here. We got everything we need. Dinosaur? We need girls. Why on earth? What's the... Yeah. I really like girls. Is there... Hey, you two! Where are you going? What's your, You're gonna have to hold it, Missy. Wait, let's not make the same mistake. Are you guys, girls? You're not gonna go stand by a urinal or anything? Well, that's good enough for me. You guys wanna be... Well, that's probably more than enough. Oh, yeah. What do you guys want to be? Is anyone... Secretary? No? Yeah, okay.
Can I dance? Well, you probably don't want to sing and dance, but can I send dances?
I think, we'll... Yeah, that'll be fine. Alright. So I guess everyone should just get ready for the most amazing year in the history of Earth. Ever. But seriously, guys, new year, new student council, we're gonna have some fun, get involved, you know where it's at. Let's do it.